What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Ro coming back with another video. Today I am replacing my ignition, my gas cap, and the lock on the trunk, on the back seat. As you can see, I already started this earlier today. It's getting dark now. I'll probably be doing this out in the dark. Almost got this this part done. I was gonna save the ignition for last. So this is it. Got it off of eBay. It was like 35 bucks, I think. So I'm probably not going to use this. I'm probably going to keep the one I have attached and just use this because my key is wonky. I have to shake it and jiggle it to get it to turn. But you know, the bike starts. New gas cap, and I'll keep all the original stuff. So let's get to going here. Hope this isn't too bad. It's all right. So I'm going to take care of this, and I'll be back once I'm done. Okay, guys. So I got the old lock out. Turn on my headlamp here. I got the old lock out, the new lock's in. I'm gonna try putting a piece of tape on here to hold this in place. Hopefully it sticks. My hands are dirty. It was kind of tough. Here, let me bring you guys over here. So I took the cable off of here. It's down in there somewhere. I'll dig it out after I get this all taken care of down in here. So the bolt was in here. It was kind of here. I pulled it out. So yeah. So here, let me get this out real quick. You guys see what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we go. So that goes here. There is a bolt here. This slides down in there, and then this will go inside that. So that should be easy peasy. But now I just have to deal with what I got inside here. Here, I'm gonna bring you guys. You're gonna be upside down for a little bit. So let's see if I can show you guys what I'm working with. You guys see that? Right here. So I got to get all that together. And then, we'll be straight. All right. See you guys in a little bit. Okay, guys. So finally got it. Let's bring you guys over here. Put some light. Got everything hooked back up. As you can see, that is working correctly. New key is here. 2 new keys. Okay. It was kind of a hassle. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. Took me longer than it should have, I believe. So, what are you gonna do? Okay, so next is the gas cap. So let me get this part right here all buttoned up. Let me turn this off. Let me get this right here all buttoned up, and then we'll move on to the gas cap, which I'm guessing that's going to be probably the easiest of the 3 installs that I have to do. All right, be back in a little bit. Okay, here we go. Gas cap's coming off. I don't think you guys need to see me unscrew the whole thing. Here, let me make sure I am taking out the right bolts. There are three, one, two, and three come out. Okay, I got the old cap off. I cleaned up in there a little bit. It was grimy. And I put a rag around, I put a rag inside right there. Covered the hole so I didn't get any dirt inside there. Okay, new gas cap is going on. Just like so. Make sure everything lines up. And yeah, I'm gonna hold on to all my old stuff just in case this does not work out. Okay. Bolt in there. Yeah, let's just get these started. Okay, we are set. Oh, let's get this down some. This one right here is just for show. That's not doing anything. Make sure they're all tight. Okay, let's give this a test. And bam, new gas cap is on. Okay, now I just have to tackle the ignition and then I'll be all set. So yeah, let's take you guys over there real quick. Old ignition, that puppy's coming out. So basically what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to take this off and then loosen up these right here and then pull the triple tree off. I just want to take this cable and put it in a new lock set. I got the triple tree off. Boom, boom. It was pretty easy. The big nut here gave me a little bit of issue. I got to break a bar and kind of took my time with it. Okay guys, I'm back. Actually using my phone now. Before I was using my GoPro. So I got one bolt out. Trying not to get a shadow here where my headlamp. So I got that bolt out. Now I got to work on that one. It has red Loctite on it. So I've been using my heat gun to loosen that son of a gun up. So I'm still at it. I'm gonna throw the heat gun on there right now. I have the old ignition out. Bam, here it is. This was kind of hard to take out. I needed to use my heat gun. Oh, there's some security bolts. They had red Loctite on them. Let's see what else. Oh, I wanted to keep this wire, but I could not. These bolts or whatever is in there, they don't have a head, so I can't get them out. I was expecting Phillips head, but nope, no Phillips screws in here. So I needed to take the whole thing out. And here we go. Had to remove that, the radiator, bolt here, bolt here. Let's see, this plastic piece. This plastic piece fits right up in here. So I had to get that out. And then see if I can point to where the ignition is. Right here. That's where the new ignition is going to go. Got the new one right here. And yeah, I'm going to put it in. And we're going to see if it works. Okay, guys. Moment of truth. Going to see if this works. Here it goes. Nothing. Well, fuel pump kicked on. Okay, here we go. Let's see. Whoa, will you look at that? It works. Hasn't been started in a couple days. But yeah. Woohoo! I did it. Okay, so happy it worked. Okay, well, thanks for tuning in to this video. I need to put this bike back together and get to bed. It's about 20 after 1 a.m., 1:20 a.m., and I'm tired. So this bike is going to be put back together, and I'm going to go get some sleep. Hopefully I'll be riding this in the morning to work. Maybe I'll bring you guys along and I'll explain my job. I'll explain what I do. Anyway, good night, guys. Thanks. Peace.